Hi everyone, welcome back to Progressive Bureau. Today we are going to talk about how to write a perfect university assignment. So this we are doing from the point of view of Indian students who are studying in various countries such as US, UK, Australia, Canada and Germany. So the first part which comes to mind is understanding the question. So understanding the question is really important. So it is best to write the question in your own language to go deeper into the question. And the second part which comes is using reliable resources for your research. So uh, avoid using any random articles on website, or avoid using any random blogs on website to forming your research. Only you should refer to either your college library journals or Google Scholar or Scopus or any other authentic academic journal. That should form the research part. And third part which comes to mind is correctly referencing your assignment. So what do we mean by correctly referencing our assignment? So mostly the universities use either APA or Harvard referencing styles. So Harvard referencing style follows so Harvard referencing follows last name of author followed by year in the brackets, and APA referencing is very similar to Harvard referencing, and students generally get confused between APA and Harvard. So Harvard follows, I'm repeating once again, Harvard follows last name of author and year in brackets, and APA follows last name of author, initial or first name of author, and then comes year in brackets. So that is how the referencing is done. And the next part which comes to mind is writing plagiarism free assignment. So what do we mean by writing plagiarism free assignment? So writing plagiarism free assignment means forming your own opinion and writing the assignment in your own language, understanding the various resources available, understanding the various journals, and then forming your own opinion and writing in your own language means writing plagiarism free assignment. So you should avoid using the exact line which is taken from any academic journal and then using it in your assignment. So you should avoid using that. If you use, then proper citation is required. And so writing in your own language is the best form of writing the assignment. And the last part which comes to mind is uh, proofreading and editing of the assignment. So lastly, you should do a proper proofreading and editing of the assignment, because it might look a very small step, but it is a very important step. Otherwise it might make your assignment look like having these silly mistakes. So it is better to do proofreading and do editing to avoid these silly mistakes. And lastly, if you are still you are stressed and you cannot understand any assignment, or you need any help in your assignment, you can connect with me through progressivebureau.com. Thank you.